Congratulations on the installation of your new heat pump system. And thank you for investing in a clean heating and cooling system for a greener and healthier future for everyone. Today, I'll be showing you a few monthly steps to help maintain the durability and efficiency of your system. Before cleaning your heat pump system, make sure you turn off power to the unit. Filters should be cleaned monthly. Failure to do so can lead to a reduction in efficiency as well as a louder pump. To clean, open the front panel of the heat pump and remove the filter. Then wash the filter using mild soap and water. For the outdoor unit, make sure to spray off the front grille as well as the side with water. By performing these monthly actions along with BlocPower's maintenance visits, you can help your home and heat pump system stay healthy and clean. Thank you for choosing BlocPower, and we hope you enjoy your system.